Hello guys, my name is Nurul Effa Natasha from SKU4. We want to show how to make macaroni fruit salad. Firstly, macaroni fruit salad is a type of pasta salad and is usually served cold. Macaroni fruit salad is also often served as side dish for barbecue, fried chicken and other picnic-style dishes. Macaroni fruit salad in Australia and New Zealand is commonly known as a pasta salad, which is usually made with cooked shell pasta pies. For ingredients, so for this recipe, what will we need? 300 macaroni, 220 ml mayonnaise, 1 liter Nestle full cream milk, 5 teaspoons of condensed milk, 565 fruit mixture, 30 grams fried of peanuts, 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon salt.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Putri Satliha binti Muhamad. I'm from class SKU4. Okay, today I will continue about safety step. Firstly, wash the hand, wearing the apron and safety boots. Be careful when in the kitchen. Make sure all the tools are clean. Finally, keep clean when cooking. Okay. How to prepare and cook? Let's get started. First of all, boil the 300 gram macaroni. In the pot. And then we put some oil, a little bit. And salt. We just, when the macaroni already cooked, we just drain the macaroni and I will put on the bowl. Okay. We just wait for the 7 minutes for already this cooked macaroni. Okay guys, when the macaroni already cooked, to turn off this. Now get the bowl and we drain the macaroni. Now we put in the bowl. Secondly, in the large bowl, mix all of the ingredients such as we need 300 gram macaroni and 220 milliliter mayonnaise. We put this. Next, we put 1 liter Nestle cream milk, 5 teaspoons of considered milk, 565 gram fruit mixture, 1 tablespoon of sultanas, and 30 gram of fried peanuts. After that, I mix. Okay, mix up well. Let the macaroni cool in a fridge. Okay, the last, serve the macaroni on a plate. Okay. Okay, this is macaroni fruit salad is done. Enjoy your macaroni. Thank you.